The Chevrolet Tahoe has long been a staple in the full-size SUV market, offering a powerful combination of utility, luxury, and capability. For 2025, Chevy takes the Tahoe to the next level, with advanced technology, refined styling, and enhanced performance. Welcome to Future Fuel. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe. Introduction to the Tahoe. The Chevrolet Tahoe has been a trusted name in family SUVs for decades. Known for its spacious interior, robust towing capabilities, and modern features, the Tahoe has consistently delivered on what drivers need. For 2025, Chevrolet adds even more reasons to consider this iconic SUV. Whether you're looking for a vehicle to haul your family, tow your weekend toys, or tackle long road trips, the 2025 Tahoe has it all. The 2025 Tahoe brings a bold yet sophisticated design that balances modern aesthetics with rugged capability. Its front grille is more aggressive, featuring new chrome accents and updated LED headlights for a sleek, futuristic look. The athletic stance is enhanced with 22-inch alloy wheels, and for those who crave off-road adventures, the Z-Adventure 1 trim offers a lifted suspension, underbody skid plates, and all-terrain tires. But it's not just about looks. The aerodynamics have been refined, giving the Tahoe improved fuel efficiency and a quieter ride. Chevy has also introduced vibrant new paint options for 2025, including a striking sunset copper metallic. Step inside and you'll be greeted by an interior that blends luxury with practicality. The 2025 Tahoe offers seating for up to 9 passengers, with premium materials like leather upholstery and open-pore wood trim, available in higher trims. A new, larger, 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominates the dashboard, equipped with Chevrolet's latest user interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 5G Wi-Fi hotspot come standard, ensuring connectivity on every journey. Additionally, the Tahoe now features a customizable digital instrument cluster, giving drivers the ability to prioritize the information they find most important. Rear passengers haven't been forgotten either. The second and third rows offer more legroom, and with power folding seats, configuring the interior for cargo is effortless. Speaking of cargo, the Tahoe boasts one of the largest storage capacities in its class. Performance and powertrain. When it comes to power, the 2025 Tahoe doesn't disappoint. Chevrolet offers 3 engine options. A standard 5.3-liter Vale, delivering 355 horsepower and plenty of torque for daily driving. A 6.2-liter Vate, perfect for those who demand more muscle, churning out 420 horsepower. And for the eco-conscious, an updated 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine offering exceptional fuel efficiency and robust towing capabilities. All engines are paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, and buyers can choose between rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. The Tahoe can tow up to 8,400 pounds when properly equipped, making it an ideal choice for trailering boats, campers, or other gear. The 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe is packed with advanced tech features to make driving easier and safer. The Super Cruise hands-free driving system is now available, allowing for semi-autonomous driving on compatible highways. Standard safety features include forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a high-definition surround view camera system. Higher trims offer adaptive cruise control, a rear pedestrian alert system, and even night vision to enhance visibility in low-light conditions. Chevrolet continues to offer a variety of trims to suit every driver's needs. A and LLT trims provide excellent value and practicality. RST delivers a sportier aesthetic, is the go-to for off-road enthusiasts. Premier and High Country trims cater to those seeking a luxury SUV experience. No matter the trim, the 2025 Tahoe delivers a premium driving experience. While the 2025 Tahoe stands out, the 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe is a testament to Chevy's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. It combines rugged capability with modern luxury, making it an ideal choice for families, adventurers, and anyone who needs a reliable, versatile SUV. Whether you're navigating city streets, towing heavy loads, or heading off the beaten path, the 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe is ready to deliver. It's bold, capable, and packed with features that make every journey memorable. Thanks for tuning into Future Fuel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth looks at the latest and greatest vehicles. See you next time.